Hello guys, so this is a mobile version of the ongoing series. And maybe this will be the second episode. So what I'm saying here is literally how you can use your mobile app. That the point I want to prove is that there is no barrier for you, like there is no hindrance for you to making excuses that you don't have laptop or any big screen for you to start your trading journey. It is very easy, and it also always depends on what you train yourself with. So me personally, I'm used with phone. Not that I don't have the big screen. The screen is there, but I really look at it. Like if I want to look at it, I just look at it for like maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and to see the bigger picture of the market. So I just close it then and keep using my phone. I can move out, then meeting with friends, then while still checking my mobile phone. So what I mean here is that mobile phone and the laptop, they just should not be a hindrance for you to start your trading journey. So on the first episode, I talk about a trade I took on GBPUSD and also on the Nasdaq. So here I'm going to explain why I added another position to the GBPUSD, and on the Nasdaq what I was expecting was not what ended up happening. So let's go to GBPUSD. So mind you always see a lot of line on my chart, so that is what I think you should get used to it. I have some lines, and my chart, they are very clean. My chart is very clean compared to others. So this was I think I took this trade on Thursday. So I was just looking at this line. So once price hit it, then I entered on the 2-minute time frame. I think if you watch the second episode, you see the first episode, you see why I entered exactly at this level. So, and mind you, still have this fair value gap here. Then why am I considering these lines? Because Euro USD has already traded below this fair value gap. So, and the point available for GBPUSD is at this line, this black line you're seeing here. So at these black lines we are seeing here, and I entered here. Then I think I was up. This is kind of swing trading. I don't used to do it, but I just have to try my luck. And first time I'm swinging a trade, but I was my mind was not at rest and everything. So it's not easy. So for swing traders out there, you guys are really trying. So instead of me to close the position on Thursday with a 1-to-7 risk to reward, but I ended up swinging the trade, and on Friday price action I added another position, but price hit my stop loss. So look at what I was looking. You see these three black lines, those are my levels. And you know what we normally do? After we identify those levels, we go directly towards 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute to look forward into model. And it's very simple. There's nothing hard to it. So far so good. You see, my first entry was this. you see this candle here. Once this candle formed, that is 7:15 a.m. New York local time. So, and this is what is inside of my line, that is hit my line, and we have this for candle forming. So that is my early indication that this line will hold. And on Friday, I think we have read further news. I think by 9:45, I have forgotten, but I know this move is as a result of news event. So when I have this, I was just waiting for a price, but to give me what my setup. But look at this price action, I didn't like it. So I waited until I finally have this. Once I have this, so there is something I always refer to as the last brain of the word algorithm. Like this candle is the last brain of the word algorithm. So once I have this traded above like this, so that was what my entry. Any candle that hit it, that is what my entry, and my stop loss was here. And initially I think I made about 1 to 3. My normal is to what, that is 1 to 3. So, and after the news, I still hold this position, and the news was released, then it went exactly to my what target. So, but I end up holding this position again. I don't know why, but in the name of swinging the trade, but it is well. Then after that, market hit my stop loss. After this move, as this candle is trading now, I added another position here. My stop loss was here, so it went with me to the word upside and collapsed to the word downside, hitting all my stop losses. So, but I'm still holding the position. If you can see on GU, on my MT5, sorry. So on my MT5, I'm still holding the position. I'm just swinging, continue swinging it. Look at it. I'm still holding this position. Position is here. Yeah, I'm still holding this position, but my stop loss is what at break even. So I don't want to see this guy traded, into this my entry point. So I just want this guy to make another high, but it is what it is. So on the Nasdaq, I have a failed setup. Well, I don't know why I entered the trade, but I think it seemed that maybe I was rushing the trade. That is why. I just don't know why I entered the trade for a buy. Let's review it. So on the daily time frame, this is NQ NAS 100. On daily time frame, this is the level. Upon seeing this rejection candle here, at this fair value gap. So these are the two lines I was monitoring. Look at this first one, this second one. So I was expecting price to hit it and continue going higher. And if price doesn't want to do that, or if there's still time ahead, then price can hit this again. You see this lower portion of this fair value gap. Look at that, is almost the midpoint of this fair value gap. See this line? That is where I was hoping that it will hit and continue going to the upside. But that doesn't happen. On the 3 minutes, I was entering because I like this kind of move. I just like this kind of move. Like, I'm not panic when I see a huge sell-off on Nasdaq. I always buy this because at times on Nasdaq, at times this big move will trade will always be a manipulation. That is it entices more sellers to go into the position, and price what will suddenly reverse to the upside, targeting this buy side liquidity here. So once I see this, it hit my line at 10, I think 10 a.m. New York local time. So I was on the 1 minute looking for entry, but no entry there. So price continue, it hit my second line. Look at it, nothing happened. We traded below it. And look at where I have what, because I know this is my last line. That is the highest you can go, because I just know this is the highest. So once I have this candle, you see this bullish candle, it hit this line and we have this reaction. So once I have this is an early indication for me that market might go higher. So once I have this, I was just waiting for a very bullish price setup. So once I have I think this is where I entered on the 2 minute. My stop loss was here. Price came down. We traded below this bullish candle. So at this point, I was not really interested until this we have this strong move to the upside. Then once this candles closes, then this next candle that is trading down, I added another position. I was heavily long on this guy. I doubled my risk on this trade. But another thing, price hit this trade into this fair value gap, we rejected. So this reaction that is going here now, look at it. I didn't like this kind of price action, because the momentum to the upside now is very weak compared to this candle here. So I think I closed about half of the risk. I closed it, then price ended up crashing to the downside. And what I don't look is that this candle here that's formed has already shown me, that is one of my other strategy, has already shown me that this high that we made here, this high here should not be traded above today. So I just know this candles has already shown me like that, but I was not I didn't care about this candle. I was just focusing on longing this Nasdaq. So I took the loss, but it's still part of the game. So I think my bias currently for this guy, that is Nasdaq specifically, my bias for the week is price to continue going. I think my buy for the week is for the fact that we traded below this candle here. I told you I trade candlestick by candlestick. So I want another candle to open. Where is it hitting? Let me show you some logic here. So it can hit this. I'm seeing this level here. Okay, let's do another one. I'm seeing this level. It can hit this. That is the highest it can go. Then it can also hit this. I'm seeing another level here. That is 2 places it can hit for price to continue So it can hit this and reject to the downside. It can also hit this level, and of course it can hit, if I measure this now, you can see, let's check something here. Let's check something here. Yeah, so it's just in line with this my second line. So the highest this guy can go, the highest it can go is this line. So you can hit this line and reject to the downside. This is what I'm just anticipating. So Monday price action will show us a clear direction of where the market is heading to within the week. But I just expect that since we have done this, if we have immediate cancellation of on Monday candle closure, then we know that okay, we are heading on to this buy side liquidity. But for now, I'm bearish. So how all those high and 50% of this week is also what I'm monitoring here. So if price can do that, and ultimately we have this all sell side liquidity here, then so I'm just expecting price action to give itself some a direction, a sense of direction, maybe tomorrow, Monday. Then at the closure of that candle, we now determine where next am I targeting. But for now, I'm bearish. So, and the funniest part is that I don't usually use my laptop or the big screen. I'm not the type that sit in one place and just watching. No, can go out and play with friends, like hang out with friends and do a lot of things. And that is why, because many people are complaining about that they can't trade using the mobile app, or it's too small for them, they are not seeing a lot of data. Guy, there's no restriction in trading, so you just have to train yourself and adapt to the system. So using mobile phone or your system is just the same thing, but it always comes down to what your level of understanding or your strategy. So me specifically, I trade candlestick by candlestick. So even if my phone is showing 1 to 2 candles, I'm okay, because the next candle will tell me the next direction of so this candle closes, then another it will tell me another direction, or the likely direction the next candle will take. So let me put it that way. So what I'm saying obviously is that you don't need big screen to get into trading. So your time is down, just get started and everything will work out. So, and for the fact that trading isn't easy, I'm not advising you to invest what you cannot afford to lose, but I'm giving you that boldness for you to start using your phone and stop gathering from money for a lot of fancy trading setup that you are seeing online. Just start from somewhere. So because I'm used to it, even on our trading office, I'm not the type that we stay on that desk for like 30 minutes. What am I doing? So once I go into the office, I just on the system, then see the overall trend of the market, and I'll just go out. Then the rest can stay there the whole day. But me, because I know that this is what I'm using, my system, I trust it, then I'll be on my mobile phone. So that is it for this video, and talk to you next time. Maybe Monday open, we do another weekly review on what I'm anticipating next. But I want Monday price action to close. Once that Monday candles has closed, then I'll tell you the next direction that the next candle might take. So talk to you next time. Thank you.